Hello families and friends, welcome to my channel. How many of you have a problem with your kitchen sink faucet? So I'm one of them. I hope you don't. We're gonna try something different today. We're gonna try a smart faucet for almost the same price as a regular one. So let's see what we got here. So this is how this works. So once when you have everything set up and connected, you're gonna leave this guy open and you're gonna regulate you want more hot or cold water. You're gonna regulate from here, but you're gonna leave this guy always open. And then when you touch it, the water is gonna come down and you have a 2 point here. Number one is just to spray it. If you can see this button here, is gonna be one for spray and the other one just for the regular water. One of these here, the red one, is for the hot water. This one is where you're gonna connect the cold water. This guy here is where you're gonna connect the main switch. This part, what is gonna regulate when you touch the faucet for let the water come down. Then you have the two faucets for cold and hot. Very important is the O-ring for just this part secure on the sink. This is the secure nut for the sink. This has two functions. Number one is when you pull this guy down, this is gonna make a stop it, and at the same time it's heavy, so it's gonna have some way for this to return back to position. And then you have where the battery is gonna go, the battery cage. So here inside is you're gonna mount it to the wall, and here inside is where the battery is gonna go. I think that be it. If I don't forget anything, we're gonna go and install it and wish me luck. Okay, now is the fun part. We're gonna install, put all together. So the first thing what we have to do is remove the old one that we have a problem with. So the first thing you have to do is turn the water, make sure you have no water, of course, and then we're gonna go from there. So once when you turn the water off, just make sure that you don't have any water. Then you have to start taking the old one. So usually the wrench what you're gonna use for this is 5/8. In case you're wondering. Oops. Looks like that one has a little bit of pressure. Okay. Now you're gonna take this one. More water. Okay. I guess I don't need to take a shower tonight. Then you're gonna have to start taking the nut. So once when you have everything, how everything is loose, ready to go, you're ready to take the old one out and start working with the new one. Okay, once when you remove the old one, now you're gonna come the fun part to install the new one. So let's go. So this part here, you can rotate it. You want to put it for the front if you want, or you can put it on the side or the other side, whatever you want. On my case, I'm going to put it like this. First, you're going to put the rubber or plastic, whatever you want to call it, first. Then you're going to put the metal one. And then after that, you're going to put the nut on this position. You want to tie them up the most what you can. Once when you are done tie them up and this is solid tie, you have to screw these two screws on place to have more stable, and this doesn't go anywhere. So you have to measure this the way you want it before you tie the other one. Then, like I said, you're gonna have this gasket plastic first through the hose. Then is the metal one. So you put it all the way up. I'm sorry guys, but I don't have too much room to play here with this thing. And then this guy, you have a thing to put it, you can put it on from the side, like this. So you don't complicate your life. And then you have to start spinning. This is the part what comes next, is the controller valve for the water. What is going to be connected to the battery set. So this go on this position first, like you see here. Just a little bit like this. You have to put the O-ring first and then screw this one. So this one is going to be just hand tie because you have a O-ring inside. I'm very sure you're going to have no leak. Next step is the weight and stopper. I told you this, it has two functions, so you're gonna have to take a screwdriver and take it apart. And put it here. Okay, the part is done. So now you wanna have to connect the hose. This is the next step where the hose is gonna go.
So you tie them up, you're gonna connect this guy now. Just like that. Make sure it's tight, doesn't go anywhere, and that is your part for now. Now you have to connect the water hose. That is gonna be a nightmare. So you have to make sure that the hot go with the hot and the cold go with the cold. Should we try it out?
Okay. This is where the battery is gonna go. So battery done. Now we have to put the cover so we can set it up on the wall like this and connect this together to see how it works. But we're gonna try it before we put it.
Okay guys, that's how it works. So once when you have everything set up, you just touch it like this and start working, and touch it back again and shut it off. I hope you like the video. Please comment, like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.